if you have had the vaccination, does it go back to your GP to be recorded with them?
Yes.
Yeah.
So everything's being recorded on the new national immunisation register, which is called the CIR, the COVID Immunisation Register. That's national and electronic, and that's all getting fed back to your GP.
The vaccine, what do you call it, the needle, from your own doctor? Your COVID tip?
Not yet. So that hopefully will be coming about mid-year. There's some GPs who are sort of have the capacity to do that above their business as usual. But watch this space.
Yeah. Some GPs
So
don't want to
needle.
do it.
Yeah.
You
Because
can't
of the timeline.
swallow it.
No, unfortunately. That would be good though.
Fine, yeah.
You'll be fine. Then I have a problem with needles.
Yeah, me too, Margaret.